What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're heading down to another Foxbody meet, so let's go. Alright, so I'm heading over to the Mustang Friday night meets, and I believe it's their second last meet of the season. Not 100% sure on that, but anyhow, next week is the Toronto Foxbody Club season finale, so I'm going to capture that. But I wanted to do a video for these guys because I wasn't sure if they're doing their own season finale or not. So let's head over and check out the Mustang, see what's there, and we'll go from there. At the Mustang Friday night meet. We got a couple nice rows of cars. There's a little bit of mixed variety, which is nice. So I'm gonna walk the lot and check it out, and let's see what we got. Sweet little Vert. It's Couche. Clean hatch. A little Vert. Oh, we got a little mix in the crowd here. Night Fox blending in here. Sweet little fry. Badass little vet parked in the group. Little, what are these? Oh yeah, the Back to the Future car, the DeLorean, that's it. Here one's right. Power windows, power locks, AC, everything. Rick's beautiful truck over here. Beautiful GT500. Nice Celine. Pretty sweet Cobra. Like it, all nice blacked out. Some beautiful machines over here. And a little Foxbody sitting over there by himself. Oh, take it easy. Yeah? Take it easy. Who's leaving? Oh, you're out of here? Really nice vet. C606, I think it is. Yep. Nice 5.0, another Termi Cobra. Beautiful color on this truck. Okay, I've seen this wagon before. It's a turbo Ella swapped wagon, so really cool. We've got the Cambridge boys, Corey's beautiful Vert. It's for sale, by the way, if anyone's interested. Another 4i Vert, beautiful. We got Jeff's beautiful coupe. Pony boys. Nice S197. We got Dougie's Green Forest Fox. That one's for sale as well. Brandon's coupe. It's a really nice blue, pops nice. Like it. The Rick's GT. Beautiful Grand National. I still like these cars. Nelson's GT. We got Dave's, I haven't seen this in a while. We got Dave's coupe here. It's a full Termi swamp. Anniversary Cobra. Really nice, got a really nice look to it. Nice deep dish wheel in the back. Another DSG Cobra. Really nice Cobra. Clean black coupe. Not sure whose car that is, but nonetheless, really clean. Convertible Mustang. Couple S197s. That's cool. We like them all. It's Mustang Friday night meets. Nice Hellcat. Beautiful Viper. Gorgeous.